guys, you know who it is. It's your boy Alex Kale Tech coming at you guys with another unboxing. The Bluetooth speaker from TikTok. Now this one's huge and it's gonna sound really loud. So let's get this open, see what it looks like, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am back. Got this box open. Oh, here it goes. In its glory. Seriously sparking. Get it out this box. Move this box out the way. Here we go, guys. It has LED party lighting, IPX5 water resistant, Bluetooth, and of course a huge battery. 50 watts dual 3-inch part Bluetooth boombox with LED party lights. All that other work gets selected, guys. Then in the bag, we got the handle, we got the buttons, we got the subwoofer with lights. And then right here, we got the USB Type-C memory card slot, USB Type-A for reverse wireless charging. I don't know why these speakers for reverse wireless charging, they got USB Type-A and not USB Type-C, but whatever. And then, of course, other memory card slot and all that other stuff. And those kickstand, stand. So let's get this thing open. You know what? We got my trusty knife right here. Just gonna do that because I'm not gonna waste my time fighting with tape. There we go. Cool, it even brings a microphone. I didn't even know that. So this is like a karaoke speaker. I didn't even show that in the description that it's a karaoke speaker. It didn't show me a microphone. That's what's up. I wish I could plug this up to the computer. Here we go. Microphone pieces. So I did bring a mic, so that's cool. There goes the mic right here. Decent looking microphone. Pull this down so you guys can see the microphone itself. On and off switch, metal with plastic. Nice little looking detail. I mean, I swear to you guys, it did not tell me it was gonna bring a microphone in the description in TikTok. It just said party speaker with party lights. And here goes the USB Type-A to USB Type-C charger. Also, that's why it has USB Type-A. It's reverse wireless charging because it has USB Type-A as part of the charger. Then we got 3.5 millimeter headphone jack. They all bring this. Then we got the quick start guide. Who cares about this? So let me pull this thing out and get the other phone so we could play some non-copyrighted music and see how it sounds. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I am back. This is subwoofers on the side. The back, of course, where it has all the things. USB Type-A to Type-C. USB Type-A to charge your phone. Then we got the memory card slot and your charger, USB Type-C. And for the microphone, the huge thing for the microphone. That's bigger than a 3.5. And of course, this is what makes it IP65 water resistant. I'm surprised it's not waterproof, because this is a pretty expensive speaker and I'm surprised it's not waterproof. But at least it has a, water resistant rating. And this is the brand up here. It's heavy. So now I know it's gonna sound loud. So let's get this thing turned on.
Powering on.
that cool effect.
Bluetooth mode.
Now let's get it. Paired. Sorry, I went into the Wi-Fi on my phone. Bluetooth. Then it's down here.
Bluetooth connected.
So easy. Found it really fast. There it goes. Where's it at? It moved it. Right there. And now let's play some non-copyrighted music. Non-copyrighted music. Alright. Let's play this one.
Ask her. I'm not gonna ask her. Are you an alum here?
No, I'm married to Tim.
Ah, shiver me Timba.
Let's see. Non-copyrighted music. YouTube. I'm trying to find something basic to get tips.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
I want to hear some bass intensive things and copyright free music. Hip hop. This is full value. This thing is definitely loud. It says $50. The lights look cool.
D-Max Beats.
Turn off the lights. Nice bass. I will say this, it is a loud speaker. Lights are right here in case you want to change the light frequency, change the colors, as you guys can see here. And then you could just turn them different colors. I'm pretty sure you could turn them all the way off. This flash show looks cool too. And that's just on. And then the lights are completely turned off. I think from both ends. So you can even play it with no lights. Let me play the song again. Major Go. I only paid $59 for it on Amazon, on TikTok Shop, and I think this is a great looking speaker. I just love it, guys. That's the volume. Let me see. I turned it all the way up. definitely awesome, guys. I love it. I recommend it. This is the brand. I'm pretty sure you can find it on Amazon. Most of the stuff they have on TikTok shop, they do have it on Amazon. Can I guarantee it's going to be $59? No, it'll probably be like 100 and something on Amazon. But you could always find out. And if you have a TikTok account, then go to the TikTok shop. This is the brand right here. So yeah, guys, great video. I mean, great speaker. I hope you guys liked the video. I love the speaker, love the sound quality. I highly recommend it. I'm gonna further test it out. You already, and thank you for watching, guys. Appreciate you guys a lot. Catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.